In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to install the RootWise Watering Pad. The RootWise 360-degree precision watering pad with patented root zone targeting technology is designed to water plants precisely at the roots for optimal growth and overall health. This breakthrough in drip irrigation takes the guesswork out of watering. Designed by irrigation experts, this unique soaker pad connects to new or existing drip irrigation systems, is easy to install, and will save you time, water, and money. Let's take a look at what's included. The RootWise Pad comes pre-assembled with the drip line with evenly spaced, self-cleaning emitters integrated inside. No need to wrestle with tubing. Each RootWise Pad comes with 3 stakes to anchor it firmly into the ground. A barbed connector is attached to the end of the RootWise tubing to pierce and connect to the supply line. You can also use a cut and punch tool, which is sold separately, to make it easier to pierce the supply line tubing. Now we're ready to get started. Begin by clearing the area around the base of your plant so the surface is as flat as possible. Then wrap the RootWise Pad around the plant. If you're installing more than one RootWise Pad, lay out all the pads around the plants. Secure the RootWise Pad to the ground with stakes. Shorten or lengthen the RootWise Pad tubing if necessary. Angle the barbed connector from the RootWise Pad to keep the tubing flat on the ground. Then pierce and connect to the supply line. Now your RootWise Pad is connected. Repeat these steps to install additional RootWise Pads. Then turn on the water source to deliver water to the RootWise system. Take a peek underneath to see moisture evenly delivered into the soil. Then cover the RootWise Pad with mulch to blend it into the landscape. Now your system is ready to go. For happy, healthy, and hydrated plants, there's a better way to water with a RootWise 360-degree precision watering pad. It's a game changer and a plant saver. The RootWise Watering Pad is available now, along with other residential irrigation solutions from RainDrip. Thanks for watching. Let us know what you think about this video and leave a comment, and share. For more about the RootWise Watering Pad and other residential irrigation solutions, visit us at raindrip.com.